It's giving hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties. Oh, hi everyone! I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Duh! Before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption and Glorilla, apparently. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my The Perfect Self-Concept course. Now, in this course, I target everything from how to be confident, how to love every single inch of your body, how to love every single inch of you from the inside, your personality, your morals, your beliefs, everything that you think about, everything that you say, everything that you talk about, everything that you do. Like, you, by the end of this course, will have no regrets and you will be so super comfortable in your skin. You will be so confident and you will know exactly what to say, think, and do. Be unapologetic about it and know that everything that you're doing is right. You will never be asking, did I manifest this correctly? Am I doing this right? You will never have to ask for advice. You will know that you are your only validation, bitch. Not only that, but we are going to get you to disprove your limiting beliefs and actually learn how to maintain a perfect self-concept and how to integrate that with instant manifestation. So if that sounds good to you, just click on the very first link in the description box down below or go on ritakaminski.com/courses. I'm so excited to see you there, and let's get started with the perfect body rampage. You don't need to go to the gym. You can eat whatever you want and you still have the best body in the motherfucking world. Women literally want to know your secrets. Men literally want to be with you. You have the sexiest, most perfect, sculpted, voluptuous / curvy / skinny, whatever you want, body in this world. Whatever is the standard for your perfect body, that is the exact same body that you have, and everybody knows it. Whenever anyone is asked in this entire universe, what is the perfect body, you somehow fit every single category. You have the best body in the entire planet, in the entire universe. Bitches get mad because you don't make the gym your entire life. You don't make being a nutritionalist your entire life. No tea, no shade to either of those professions. But I'm just saying, bitches be mad that you're not trying hard in those aspects of your life, in any aspect of your life, because you just have it like that. You got it from your mama, you got it from every other generation before yours. You have the best body. You can eat anything, you can drink anything, and you still do not gain weight and you do not lose weight. You are like a chameleon. You are like a shapeshifter. Whenever in your mind you want to change a part of your body, you can literally change it in 1 second. And people are shocked. Frankly, they're scared. But nevertheless, everyone is hitting likes on your Instagram. Everyone is liking you in real life. They are respectful, they are admiring, but they will never do anything to disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable or too seen. You get the right amount of attention. You are perfectly sculpted by the gods. You feel so comfortable in your skin, in your body. You can wear anything that you want. You can look any way that you want and still look so sexy. People can take any photos of you from any angle, any video of you from any angle, and you still have the most perfect body. No one knows how you do it. They are stumped, but you remain the body ideal. Victoria's Secret is literally calling your phone absolutely every single day. They are obsessed with you. Vogue is calling your phone every single day. You are uber model material, not even supermodel, bitch. Uber model, higher than a supermodel, because again, You just got it like that. You can stack books on your booty. A man can use your boobies as pillows. You have the perfect waist. It's cinched without a corset. It is literally non-existent. Like, people are calling it 9/11 because they're concerned that you're split in half because you don't have a waist. People are trying to find it everywhere. Like, Sherlock Holmes is on the freaking case trying to find your waist, but he will never be able to because you have the perfect body. Most importantly, you know that you are the operant power, and you know that just by breathing, you have your perfect weight. Just by eating anything, you get your perfect body. Drinking, sleeping, breathing, existing, anything. You permanently exude perfect body goals to you and to society, but most importantly, you, because that's the only thing that matters. Your head shape is amazing. It is like a perfect angel skull, as some sub makers like to call it. I found that so interesting when I first got into the sub maker community. You have an angel skull. You have the perfect skin. You have big, huge eyes that somehow scare people and entice them at the same time, which sounds like it's impossible, but it's not. You're not only pretty and cute and hot and sexy. Yeah, like, we get that. There's no news there. But you also have a Hollywood beauty to you. So you have the perfectly chiseled cheeks. You don't look basic, like, you look uniquely you, but you also look absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and beautiful. Because we all know there's a difference between pretty and beautiful, and you're beautiful, okay? Everybody knows it. Every single man and woman wants to be with you, but they're all respectful. They're trying to get your number and be with you and talk to you. You let in the people that you like, that you bless with your time, but at the end of the day, it's up to you, and everyone knows it, and everyone's super respectful. But at the same time, men and women want to chase you down the street because you are just a perfectly sculptured specimen. You are Aphrodite. You are Bella Hadid. You are Marilyn Monroe. You are just the ideal body type for your body type. You are proud of yourself. You feel so skinny. You feel so light. You feel so healthy. You feel like you're glowing, and everyone compliments you on the fact that you are just glowing from the inside out, baby. Your nails are glistening and perfect and forever did. Your hair is the same, forever glossy, forever did. Your eyes are glistening. Your face is just full of love and light and life. Your arms are skinny and toned. Your stomach is skinny and toned. We're not even talking about your waist because we've already established that it's invisible. You have no cellulite, and if you have cellulite, you are so happy and confident about it. You have the perfect feet, the perfect ankles, the perfect calves, the perfect thighs, the perfect booty, the perfect vagine. You have the perfect stomach, the perfect boobs, the perfect collarbone, the perfect shoulders, the perfect arms, hands, face, hair, eyes, facial features, everything. Like Glorilla said, it's giving hair, face, ass, titties. It's giving, like, everything about you. I'm looking at you right now. Don't feel uncomfortable, baby. I'm just examining what we have going on here, and we have it all going on. You are it. You are that bitch. It's giving. It is all of it. It's all giving. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. It's giving hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties. It's giving hair, face, ass, titties. You don't know that I'm shaking my ass right now, but I am. You're welcome.